Hello friends, welcome to Engineering at Movement channel. In this lecture, we will study about wettability of fluids. We will study what is wettability of fluids, what is contact angle, on what factors contact angle depends, how we can measure wettability of fluids, what are wetting fluids and what are non-wetting fluids. For all this information, be connected to Engineering at Movement channel. Friends, wettability is the tendency of one fluid to spread on or adhere to a solid surface in the presence of other immiscible fluids. Immiscible fluids are those fluids which do not mix with the other fluids. Contact angle is the angle made by the fluid with the surface with which it is in contact. Factors affecting contact angle. First of all, it is surface roughness. Second is functional group present on the surface. Third, impurities and or cleanness. Fourth, porosity. And fifth, surface energy. How is contact angle measured? It is measured by two methods. First is, how is wettability measured? How is wettability measured? Wettability is measured by two methods. First is measurement of contact angle, and secondly, product of contact angle and interfacial tension. It is called Young's equation. Now, what is non-wetting fluids and wetting fluids? When a fluid spreads on a surface, if you analyze a droplet and for analyzing a droplet of the fluid, we will make a perpendicular at the point of the contact of fluid and solid surface and a tangent at the point of contact and solid surface. So the angle between this perpendicular and tangent is called contact angle. If this angle is greater than 90 degree and less than or equal to 180 degree, it is non-wetting fluid, and if this angle is less than 90 degree, it is wetting fluids. Example of non-wetting fluid is mercury, and that of wetting fluid is water and oil. So if you analyze it in a more detailed manner or exaggerated manner, then the droplet of non-wetting fluid do not changes their shape a lot, and that droplet of wetting fluids have a considerable change in their shape. So non-wetting fluids droplet do not have a considerable change in their shape. They are almost spherical, and due to this reason their contact angle is greater than 90 degree. And friends, that of wetting fluids have a considerable change in their shape, and here it is hemispherical, so the contact angle is less than 90 degree. Now in this photo, water from a glass of water has spread on the surface, so you can see its change shape, and it has got a hemispherical shape after spread, so it is a wetting fluid. You can easily see from the photo. Now here the mercury has spread on a surface and it is almost spherical, so it is a non-wetting fluid. I hope friends you all have enjoyed this lecture, and at Engineering at Movement channel we will be bringing more lectures like this. So please subscribe our channel and like and share our videos. Thank you.